How to convert Canva website to HTML. So basically, converting a Canva website to HTML isn't a direct feature offered by Canva. But what you're going to do here is, if you want to convert this website or Canva website to HTML, what you're going to do here is, of course, first you have to create your design. Just edit everything here, add some elements, add some pictures, add some text, change the background color, change the background design, or add something right here. So once you're satisfied with your design, then tap share and then click this three dots. Then scroll down and then look for website. Basically, this is what it looks like. Okay, so you can just basically publish your website right here. And then once done, you can now see, look for this view website, tap this one. And what you're going to do here is you can just copy this URL above, or you can just simply right click. So since this is your Canva website, just right click and then you will see the option save as and then look for the HTML. Once done, go to downloads, double tap the HTML, or you can just basically drag this one to this tab right here and it will take you directly to your Canva website. So basically that's how easy it is to convert Canva website to HTML. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.